Hello students, this is a question number 7 of paper 1 AAHL May 2025 past paper. So without calculator we have to find the volume. Let's find the keywords here. So find the volume, yeah, of solid. So it's a special form, and then how this volume is obtained. Let's read the previous sentence. Region enclosed by the curve and y-axis is rotated 2 pi radians about the y-axis. So about the y-axis. So we have to find the volume of this obtained shape, yeah, something like this. So three-dimensional shape. According to the formula, let me first write the formula. It's ab pi and the function squared. So it is actually x squared dy. Yeah. So this is a formula. How to use this formula? First of all, we can say that x squared could be obtained from this equation. Yeah. So x squared is equal to r to the 4 minus y to the 4, right? And now we can write this way then. It's pi, then r to the 4 minus y to the 4 dy. And what's boundaries? From what is our a and b? Yeah, we have to obtain the values a and b. So this is our a and this is our b. How to obtain this value? So using our domain, we can say that it's related to the domain, and that's how we can deduce the formula, the expression for a and b. Yeah. So a and b happens when the x is 0, right? When x is 0. If x is 0, so y to the 4 is equal to r to the 4. Okay. So what does it mean? It means that y will be equal plus minus r. Okay. So plus minus r. So if we will put plus minus r, we will get y. Hope it is clear. So it's something it's a bit tricky, but hope it is clear for you. If not, please write this question in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Okay, and now let's turn to our integral. So our boundaries from negative r to r, and now it's time to integrate. How to integrate? And we shouldn't forget about the integration. And let's integrate first. So pi will be outside, and inner expression is r to the 4y, because we are integrating for in terms of y to the 5 over 5 from negative r to r. Okay, and now let's plug everything in our expression. First we are plugging negative r and then r. So finally we will get r to the 5 minus r to the 5 over 5 minus negative r to the 5 plus r to the 5 over 5. Or simply, after simplification, we'll get 8 over 5 pi r cubed. So let's compare this with expression that we have to obtain. Yeah, we obtained this expression. So finally, we achieved highest mark for this question. Okay, hope it was clear. If not, write the comments. See you in the next video. Goodbye.